Have you ever uploaded a video that you genuinely believed would help people, only to watch it sit there gathering dust? A few views, maybe a handful of likes, then nothing. Meanwhile, someone else uploads a similar video, says many of the same things, and somehow pulls in thousands of views. At first, it feels unfair. You start wondering if YouTube is only for younger creators. Maybe they're better with technology. Maybe they understand something you don't. Maybe the platform has simply become too crowded. But here's the truth. Most struggling channels are not failing because of poor content. They're failing because nobody is searching for the topics they're creating. Think about that for a moment. You can have excellent advice, valuable life experience, and a genuine desire to help people. Yet if you choose the wrong keywords, your videos become invisible. This is where many creators over 50 get stuck. They spend hours recording, editing, uploading, and designing thumbnails, but only a few minutes researching what people actually want to watch. The result? Months of effort with little growth. But there is good news. Some creators over 50 are quietly building channels, gaining subscribers, and generating income without competing against giant channels. They're not doing it through luck. They're doing it by finding low competition keywords that larger creators often ignore. And in this video, you'll learn exactly how they're doing it. By the end, you'll understand how to uncover hidden opportunities, find topics people are actively searching for, and build a channel around demand instead of guesswork. Hi, my name is Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels using AI tools to create real income without overwhelm. Because let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting. And that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video comments below to learn how. Thousands of channels are generating income every month without ever showing a face, revealing their identity, or becoming internet celebrities. In fact, this video uses the vidIQ to produce the thumbnails from an original image of me de-aged 10 years and re-aged 10 years using Nano Banana, a very economical image program of Google's. I use HeyGen to convert the narrative created by ChatGPT into a video using the enhanced, better-looking image of me used in the thumbnail. These products are listed in the video description below. Let's begin. Why most new creators choose the wrong keywords. When people first start YouTube, they usually make the same mistake. They create videos based on what they want to talk about. That sounds logical. After all, passion matters. But YouTube is a search engine, and search engines reward relevance. Imagine opening a restaurant in the middle of a desert. You could serve the best food in the world, but if nobody passes by, nobody buys. Many creators unknowingly do the same thing. They publish videos on topics nobody is searching for. Or worse, they target keywords dominated by channels with millions of subscribers. The competition becomes impossible. For example, a new creator might make a video called "How to Succeed on YouTube." Sounds useful. But that phrase is extremely competitive. Thousands of channels are targeting it. Now, compare that with "How retirees can start a YouTube channel from home." Suddenly, the audience becomes more specific. The competition drops. The search intent becomes clearer, and the odds of getting discovered improve dramatically. The goal isn't finding the biggest keyword. The goal is finding the easiest keyword that still has demand. That's where growth starts. Understanding the hidden goldmine of search intent. One of the biggest advantages creators over 50 possess is experience. You've spent decades solving problems. You've learned lessons. You've overcome challenges. And somewhere out there, people are searching for those answers. The key is understanding search intent. Search intent simply means the reason someone types a phrase into YouTube. Consider these examples. How to start investing after 50. Best side hustles for retirees. How to lose weight after menopause. Beginner gardening tips for seniors. These aren't random searches. They're specific problems. People are actively looking for solutions. And when you create videos that match those searches, YouTube has a reason to recommend your content. Many younger creators chase trends. Successful creators over 50 often focus on solving problems. That's a powerful distinction. Problems create searches. Searches create views. Views create growth. The auto-suggest method. One of the simplest keyword tools is completely free. It's YouTube itself. Go to the YouTube search bar. Start typing a topic. Watch what appears. Those suggestions are not random. They're based on real searches from real people. Suppose your niche is retirement income. Type retirement income. You might see retirement income ideas, retirement income strategies, retirement income after 60, retirement income from home, retirement income for beginners. Every suggestion represents potential content. Now go deeper. Type retirement income after. YouTube may reveal even more specific phrases. This is where hidden opportunities often appear. The more specific the phrase, the less competition you're likely to face. Many successful small creators build entire content calendars using nothing more than search suggestions. Simple, free, effective. The alphabet strategy. Here's another technique that works surprisingly well. Start with your main topic, then add a letter after it. For example, side hustle A, then side hustle B, then side hustle C, and so on. YouTube will continuously generate suggestions. Each suggestion is a clue. Each clue represents audience demand. You might discover topics you never would have considered. This technique feels almost too easy, yet countless creators overlook it. Remember, success on YouTube often comes from simple actions repeated consistently, not complicated strategies. Looking for questions instead of topics. Most creators search for topics. Successful creators search for questions. Questions reveal pain points. Pain points reveal opportunities. Think about the questions people ask in your area of expertise. If your niche is personal finance, questions might include, how much money do I need to retire? Can I retire at 60? What happens if I run out of retirement savings? If your niche is YouTube, how many videos should I upload? Why am I not getting views? How do small channels grow? Every question can become a video. Better yet, questions often have lower competition because larger channels frequently focus on broader subjects. When you answer specific questions, you become highly relevant to a smaller audience, and small audiences often grow into large audiences. Why narrow beats broad? Many creators fear narrowing their niche. They think they're limiting themselves. In reality, they're doing the opposite. Let's compare. Broad topic, fitness. Narrow topic, fitness for men over 50 inches. Which is easier to rank for? Which audience feels more understood? Which viewer is more likely to subscribe? The answer is obvious. Specificity creates connection, and connection creates loyalty. A channel serving everyone often serves no one. A channel serving a specific audience can grow remarkably fast. especially when that audience feels overlooked elsewhere. Studying small, successful channels. One of the smartest things you can do is study channels that are only slightly ahead of you. Not giant channels, small, successful channels. Why? Because their strategies are often repeatable. Look for channels with 1,000 to 50,000 subscribers, consistent uploads, videos receiving steady views. Study their titles. Notice patterns. Pay attention to recurring keywords. Look at videos that outperform the rest. Those videos frequently reveal keyword opportunities. Many creators spend too much time studying celebrities of YouTube. The real lessons often come from creators who recently solved the same problems you're facing. The view to subscriber clue. Here's a powerful shortcut. Find a small channel. Look for videos with significantly more views than their subscriber count. For example, a channel with 2,000 subscribers. One video has 50,000 views. Something interesting happened. That video likely tapped into strong search demand. Examine the title. Study the topic. Read the comments. Look for patterns. You aren't copying. You're researching audience interest. There's a huge difference. Success leaves clues. Your job is finding them. Keywords hidden in comment sections. Many creators ignore comments. Big mistake. Comments are often a treasure chest of future video ideas. Viewers frequently reveal their struggles. They ask follow-up questions. They describe problems. They request additional content. Those comments often contain exact phrases your audience uses, and those phrases can become future keywords. The beauty is that viewers tell you what they want. You don't have to guess. You simply listen. The power of long-tail keywords. If there's one keyword concept every creator over 50 should understand, it's this: long-tail keywords. A long-tail keyword is simply a longer, more specific phrase. Examples: short keyword, gardening. Long-tail keyword, vegetable gardening for beginners over 50. Which one is easier to rank for? Which one attracts a more targeted audience? Which one signals clear intent? The long-tail keyword wins every time. Large channels often ignore these smaller searches. That's where opportunity lives. One long-tail keyword may only attract a few hundred searches each month, but dozens of those keywords can create significant channel growth. Think of it like fishing. One giant fish is exciting. A bucket full of smaller fish feeds the family. Building a keyword library. Professional creators rarely search for keywords only when they're ready to film. Instead, they maintain a keyword library. Whenever they discover an idea, they save it. A spreadsheet works perfectly. Create columns for keyword, search intent, video title ideas, notes, upload status. Over time, you'll build a valuable resource. Soon, you'll never wonder what video to make next. The ideas are already waiting. This removes decision fatigue, and decision fatigue kills consistency. Why consistency beats perfection? Many creators spend weeks searching for the perfect keyword. They never publish. Meanwhile, another creator uploads imperfect videos every week. Guess who grows faster? The consistent creator. Keyword research matters, but execution matters more. Think of keyword research as finding a road. Publishing videos is actually driving on it. You need both. Too many creators stop at the map. The successful ones start moving. The compound effect of keyword-based content. Here's what many people miss. One successful keyword isn't the goal. A system is the goal. Imagine publishing 50 videos, each targeting a low competition keyword, each solving a specific problem, each bringing in a small stream of viewers. Individually, those videos might seem insignificant. Collectively, they become a powerful traffic machine. Months later, people discover your older content. Views accumulate, subscribers grow, income opportunities appear, and suddenly it looks like success happened overnight. It didn't. It happened video by video, keyword by keyword, search by search. The advantage creators over 50 already have. Many older creators underestimate themselves. They assume younger creators have all the advantages. But experience creates authority. Authority creates trust. Trust creates loyal audiences. Someone who has spent 40 years managing money can teach personal finance. Someone who has built businesses can share practical lessons. Someone who has raised a family, changed careers, overcome setbacks, or navigated retirement has valuable knowledge. The challenge isn't having expertise. The challenge is packaging expertise around searchable topics. Once you learn that skill, everything changes. A simple weekly keyword routine. If you're feeling overwhelmed, start here. Once a week, spend 30 minutes researching. Find 10 keyword ideas. Save them. Choose one. Create a video around it. Repeat. That's it. No complicated software, no expensive tools, no endless analysis. Just consistent research and consistent publishing. Over a year, that's more than 500 keyword ideas and dozens of videos. Very few creators maintain that level of discipline. Those who do often separate themselves from the crowd. What to avoid? Before we finish, let's cover a few traps. Avoid chasing every trend. Trends disappear quickly. Avoid targeting massive keywords immediately. Competition can bury new channels. Avoid copying large creators word for word. Instead, serve your audience in your own voice. Avoid changing niches every few weeks. Consistency helps YouTube understand your channel. And avoid waiting for certainty. Most successful creators began with imperfect information. They learned by doing, not by waiting. Final thoughts. If your channel isn't growing the way you'd hoped, don't automatically assume your content is the problem. Often the issue starts much earlier. It starts with keyword selection. The difference between a video getting 50 views and 5,000 views can sometimes be as simple as choosing a better topic. That's encouraging news because keywords are a skill and skills can be learned. Start using YouTube's search suggestions. Study questions people ask. Look for long tail opportunities. Research small, successful channels. Build a keyword library. And most importantly, keep publishing. Remember this, you do not need millions of subscribers to succeed. You do not need expensive equipment. We have a list of software which we use to create our faceless YouTube video, using an avatar picture of me with text to screen and voice with lip sync. Depending upon where you are in your video creation journey, you may like to use some of the stuff we use, rather than try to microphone your production in front of a camera with all the needs that come with personal effort. You do not need to be the loudest creator on the platform. You simply need to connect the knowledge you already possess with the questions people are already asking. That's where low competition keywords become powerful. They bridge the gap between your experience and someone else's need. And when that happens, YouTube stops feeling like a mystery. It starts feeling like an opportunity that many creators over 50 are already discovering. Now it's your turn, because the next keyword that changes your channel could be one search away.